Hello everyone, in this video we'll be doing Seigniorage. Now if you remember, previously we've learned that Seigniorage is difference between face value and making charges, right? But in your examination you will not be given this simple question regarding their face value and making charges. Instead, you'll have to make use of another formula in order to find Seigniorage, which is more relevant, right? It is Seigniorage is equal to delta M by P, where your delta M is change in money supply or money introduced by the government in an economy. Okay? And P represents price level. We take ratio of the two because delta M shows us change in money supply with respect to P, okay, the prevailing price level in an economy. Okay, now let us multiply and divide this Seigniorage with M. So Seigniorage can be said to be as delta M by P is equal to delta M by P into M by P, because even if you're multiplying and dividing the value, it's going to be the same, right? It's going to be 1 after all, and if you multiply this with 1, it's going to be the same. But now we are going to reshuffle it a bit. It's going to be delta M by M into M by P, where this delta M by M shows change in, basically shows nominal money growth or change, introduction of new money or money supply, current money supply with respect to the money supply or quantity of money that actually existed in the economy. Okay, today already existed. Now M by P is real money balance. Now real money balance basically is the number of people holding money in an economy, not in form of checkable deposits, but holding money in form of, say, currency. Okay, this is M by P. Why? Because this is the money with respect to the current price level. Okay, now to make things a bit simpler, we are going to introduce one more term to this formula. Now we just learned that delta M by P is equal to delta M by P into M by P, right? This is called Seigniorage. So this. Now the new term that we are introducing is Y. Why? Because Y is our income. And the real money balance is a part of our income, right? Seigniorage is on the part of income. Okay? So basically, each element over here, I'm so sorry, I did a bit mistake over here. Delta M by M. Yeah. So each element here, except for this because printed by this in government, it's under government's control, both are related or compared with respect to your income because it is the saved part of the same. Okay. Now there's a relation between Seigniorage and real money balance, which is in case your Seigniorage, okay, so government has control over this, so government has made its calculations and accordingly it has introduced this much money in the economy, right? But government can only raise revenue or Seigniorage if this part is increasing or is already increased or higher. Why? Because eventually your real money balance will describe your real money balance will describe or will directly impact your seigniorage, right? Assume this to be constant, then this can only increase when this will increase. But this thing will not work for a really long time, because once this seigniorage has reached its threshold point, after that people will start to realize that keeping money balance or constantly increasing nominal money is leading to inflation. Constant inflation is leading them to pay this inflation tax, right? And no one wants to pay that. So they'll start keeping their money in form of checkable deposits and all, and hence the revenue that they were receiving will start to fall because of the falling real money balance. Okay, so this was it for this video, and in next we will be talking about inflation and